Thornton, Regional Manager for Smart Chiller Group. We manufacture chillers from the ground up. We're using the latest technology in the market today based on energy reduction in the energy consumption group, and that's what we're all about now, is trying to reduce our carbon footprints and do things better in the world. We've got the technology that actually helps people do that. Been involved in this 25 years of my life, doing some form or fashion of performance contract work, mechanical relationship works, equipment manufacturing, representation, and this is probably one of the most exciting formats that we've ever been to before. And I say that because we've been to a lot of the larger conventions, the ASHRAEs, the FMA, the BOMAs, those kinds of conventions, very large, very adequate facilities, large groups though. And so what we're finding in our industry is that the more intimate you are with the relationships and the consumer and the people that are out looking at these kinds of conventions to go to learn about the technology and how we can help them do that, the more intimate relationships you have, such as FMA, has been very friendly to our organization. We have come here. This is my first time at the FMA, and we feel like this is very good money spent. We've had a lot of relationship building process. I think I've had some friends that I'm going to keep for life now. Just in this first meeting that we've had here, hopefully we'll obviously we're out here to make money too, but really the friendship and the intimacy of this whole organization has been very well received by our company. We plan to do this again year after year after year.